the top 8 vitamins to boost testosterone. As men get older, our bodies lose testosterone, which can cause muscle loss, a low libido, a higher body fat percentage, and also weaker bones. You see, testosterone is a natural steroid hormone which helps to keep different tissues in our body strong and healthy, especially the muscles and bones, your reproductive organs and blood cells, and the hair on different parts of your body, like your scalp or your beard, for example. You can also lose testosterone even faster when you don't get enough sleep of at least 8 hours per night. Drinking alcohol, eating soy products, sugary foods, or simply being overweight can all raise your estrogen and lower your testosterone. Fortunately, there are natural vitamins that you can consume to boost testosterone levels so that you can stay strong and healthy well into old age. And that's exactly what we'll be talking about in today's video. I use the words vitamins broadly to include herbs, antioxidants, and minerals that you can use to boost testosterone naturally. Just my usual reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. The first nutrient on my list is called zinc picolinate. If you wish, you can take 30 milligrams of zinc in a capsule every day to boost testosterone production in your body. This is a trace mineral that helps the glands in your body to produce this hormone, which can help to prevent shrinking testicles, prostate enlargement, and a loss of libido as you get older. Zinc has also been shown to increase sperm count and its quality for better fertility. However, the best way to get zinc into your diet is by eating shellfish like clams, mussels, crab meat, and oysters. You can also get zinc from pine nuts, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and grass-fed red meats. Number 2 is vitamin D3. Vitamin D is made by your body when the sunshine contacts your skin. Unfortunately, over 2 billion people worldwide are deficient in vitamin D, and this can cause higher levels of stress, poor mental focus, weaker muscles, and a loss in testosterone. Studies show us that going outside and exposing the skin to the sun for 30 minutes a day can improve the release of free testosterone in your body. It also helps to lower stress and improve your sleeping patterns by regulating the circadian rhythm. This helps you to get more REM sleep, which naturally balances different hormones like testosterone, insulin, and cortisol, for example. If you wish to boost your intake, you can take 10,000 IUs of vitamin D3 per day, along with 100 micrograms of vitamin K2. The third nutrient that I want to talk about is an amino acid called L-arginine. As we age, we tend to suffer with poor blood circulation as our arteries, veins, and heart becomes weaker. L-arginine, however, is a very powerful amino acid which turns into nitric oxide in the blood. This is like a gas that basically relaxes, dilates, and opens up your arteries and your blood vessels so that hormones like testosterone can travel freely through your body. Arginine is often used to prevent erectile dysfunction, high blood pressure, and it also improves blood flow to the brain. You can take 3,000 milligrams twice per day in a supplement if you wish. Number 4, which is the all-important vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, and it's found in avocados, sunflower seeds, extra virgin olive oil, and almonds. Vitamin E is one of the most important anti-aging nutrients because it helps to boost the output of pituitary hormones from the brain. This can protect against collagen loss, and it helps to keep your muscles strong and dense, including your heart. It's also been shown to improve a man's libido, boost the immune system to fight off infections and diseases, and it also lowers the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Although it's really important to get this from healthy foods, if you do wish to take a supplement, tocotrienols from annatto are the highest quality. Now I want to talk about the ancient herb which is number 5, Panax ginseng. Ginseng has been used for over 2,000 years as a natural health booster and also a herbal medicine in China. By helping the body to produce testosterone along with other steroid hormones, it can improve memory, concentration levels, and brain health. Studies show that the active ingredient called ginsenoside can also lower the risk of amyloid plaque developing in the brain, which is a common cause of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. You can purchase Panax ginseng in a powdered form and steep it to make a herbal tea. Drinking this on a daily basis will help to make you feel calm, as it helps your body adapt to stress. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I'm aware that there's lots of information here to take in, so please feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes whenever you need to. Next up is a mineral for men who tend to suffer with stress, anxiety, or sleeping problems. If you suffer with a high level of stress, you'll find yourself overthinking, constantly analyzing, and you may struggle to sleep at night. This type of mental chatter is caused by having high cortisol levels, which is known as the stress hormone. The problem is that too much cortisol and stress lowers the amount of free testosterone that's available in your body, and it can cause you to lose muscle and sometimes suffer with cramps, especially in your legs. High cortisol also weakens your bones and raises the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. So start eating foods rich in magnesium on a daily basis, as this will help to calm your nervous system down, lower cortisol, and also boost testosterone. You can get magnesium by eating any leafy green vegetables, pumpkin seeds, avocados, sunflower seeds, and also dark chocolate. For a supplemental form, magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate is the best available at a dosage of 400 milligrams per day. Right, number 7 is a powerful hormone that you can take in supplemental form. In order for your body to build testosterone, it first makes DHEA in your adrenal glands, and then it converts it into testosterone and other important hormones. You can take 25 to 50 milligrams of DHEA per day in the form of a tablet. This is excellent for improving the density and strength of your muscles and prevents them from wasting away as you age. Taking this gives your body more of the raw material needed to build androgen hormones like testosterone, and it can also improve skin hydration, firmness, and decrease aging spots in elderly adults. By the way, I'll be adding some links to my favorite products below the video. You can research these in your own time. However, to make this very clear, I always recommend getting your nutrients from your food wherever possible. Last but by no means least is number 8, boron. Did you know that men actually have more than enough testosterone in their bodies, but usually only 1 to 2% of this is available? Your testosterone is usually locked up by a protein called sex hormone binding globulin, or SHBG. This protein can increase as you get older, especially if you have liver damage or you're overweight. Boron, however, can be used to help unlock testosterone in your body. It's an essential trace mineral that our bodies need to make other hormones like vitamin D and DHEA, which we've already talked about in today's video. Unfortunately, many of our soils are now depleted of trace minerals like boron because of over-farming and over-harvesting, causing us to have less boron in our diets. To boost this, you can take 6 to 12 milligrams of boron every single day, and this has been shown to increase free testosterone levels, relieve joint pain and stiffness from arthritis, and it also lowers estrogen in the male body, which can prevent swelling, puffiness, and water retention as a bonus. Avocados are one of the better sources of boron if you want to get it just from your food. As you can see, there are a range of powerful nutrients and vitamins that you can use to boost testosterone and protect against muscle loss, erectile dysfunction, and also depression and anxiety. Many of these nutrients are already in foods that you regularly consume, so you can start by eating more of these that